agree with you. Now, maybe the state's going to present more to convince me that it is beyond a reasonable doubt. I don't see it yet. But some of the testimony is really troubling to me, that she didn't call the police because she said it was normal that this guy would go away and leave and come and go without her being able to say anything about it. But on the other hand, she said at the very beginning of him not being home, she starts talking to his mother about where is he and what's he doing and he's missing. Well, then why are you doing that? On the other hand, saying, oh, I didn't need to call the police. He did this all the time. Her testimony just doesn't make sense to me, Michael.
I think the jury will reasonably infer that what she's doing is covering up, lying, telling the truth in some instances and lying in other instances because she can't really say everything else. Like what Michael said in the prior block, which is her deal is actually not done. Like if the prosecution doesn't like what they hear on the stand, they could pull the deal. So I think she's got that in the back of her mind that she doesn't want to disturb her deal. So that's why your observation is correct for that reason.
And I will say this, maybe not calling the police because she knows in the back of her mind that
he's a drug dealer.
He's a drug dealer and a gun dealer.
And
last thing you want is the cops involved in any way, right?
And I suspect she knows if she called the police and he was fine, he would have, done so many things to her for calling the police.
And Mike, finally, a couple more seconds that we have. Do you think her deal is in jeopardy based on the way she's testifying? Because she's giving and taking away for the prosecution's case.
Yeah, she's I think she's basically helping her dad, whether she wants to or not. I think it is in jeopardy.
All right. Now, this case is something else. I'm telling you, this is the first one I've watched in a while where I feel like there's a lot of reasonable doubt here, and we have to see how the prosecution shores it up if they're able to. Stand by, Michael. We're going to get you back inside the courtroom for more of the defense attorney's cross-examination.